My correct people, this economy don hard pass when you combine mathematics, physics, or even chemistry join together write exam. Yes, people don dey suffer too much for this our present day country. Yes, but e get some secret of how some smart Nigerians still dey survive and cope with this present day economy. Yes, because if you reason am, things hard very very well. Transportation money dey very very expensive. What of feeding nko? Dat one dey too expensive too. Yes, what of house rent? Dat one don dey beyond ordinary Nigerians. Yes, because most of the Nigerians now still dey live in shanties. Yes. Okay now, you go calm down and relax. Make I begin dey tell you one after the other the hidden secrets Nigerians use dey survive this harsh economic realities. Na me be your correct guy man and street papa, Nwaneri. Calm down and relax. Make I begin the flow. Number one secret be say stop living life to impress people. Yes, how you go dey live life to impress people instead of you to live life wey be say wey go help you? You go dey live to impress people. Every weekend you go go one occasion, go do dorime. When you reach house, you go begin dey cry. Yes, okay. You dey buy expensive wigs, expensive clothings, expensive and luxurious maybe iPhones. Wetin be the iPhone this time? iPhone 17 Pro Max. When you get iPhone 16 you buy, iPhone 17 Pro Max you buy. You no even get stock or a single share for Apple. Ha! No dey live your life to impress people o, because when poverty hit you, when e knack you akpako, you go cry tire. Another one be say you go dey plan yourself, dey live on budget. Yes, many people this time dey live on impulse purchase wey be say at the end of the day e go dey hard them. Yes, anything wey you see for road wey dey pass, you go buy. The one wey you plan, the one wey you no plan, you must buy everything. Haba now. Na like that you go take survive for this harsh economy? No go jump into pit wey be say you no go fit comot o. Another one be say you go dey get multiple source of income. Yes, you go try get multiple source of income. No be only that your salary. Salary no dey reach again now. Or even one small business wey you dey do, you go try add am another thing. Yes, you fit dey work, still get maybe poultry for your backyard. Yes, and those ones go dey add another money, dey solve problem. Yes, you fit dey work, still get POS machine wey be say you go dey use dey make small small money join am. Yes, no be only one source of income dey favour person this time. One source of income this time dey very difficult. You must multiply your income, double your hustle. Yes, create other sources of income. Another one be say you go try learn and acquire skills. Yes, a lot of skills dey in vogue this time, both digital and non-digital skills. Yes, make I tell you some of the digital skills wey you fit learn. You fit learn AI, and wey be say dem dey call am artificial intelligence for people wey sabi. Yes, that AI you fit use am dey do con ten t. Also, you fit learn join cyber security. You fit also learn freelancing. You fit still learn editing. Yes, all these things na digital skills. Okay, if your head no correct for computer, you fit still learn manual skills like barbing, yes, furniture, mechanic, and other skills wey go help your life. Because this time nobody send another person o. You must try help yourself. Another one be say you must build a strong relationship. Yes, for Igbo language dem dey talk am say onye nwere mmadụ ka onye nwere ego. Person wey get person pass person wey get money. Yes, e get as im be o when you no get person at all. So you must be of good conduct. Any person wey you see, be it rich or poor, you treat that person with respect. Yes, because sometimes you no know wetin tomorrow go be. That poor man wey dey treat anyhow fit be the gate person of your wealth in future. Yes, if you treat am anyhow when im dey poor, e no go remember you again o. Okay now, you go learn how to accommodate and live with people. Yes, and engage in meaningful relationship wey go help you, no be the ones wey go destroy your life o. I dey tell you. Yes. Yes, no dey compare yourself with other people. Yes, avoid unnecessary comparison and competition. Na me dey tell you this o. Yes, your neighbor do this, you go dey look am, you must do am. No, that life no good o. Yes, dey do your own thing in your own way. Yes, avoid lifestyle pressure of other people, especially wetin we dey see for social media these days. Yes, no dey look dem, dey do your own thing. Yes, my correct people. Also, try your best to protect your mental health. Yes, avoid unnecessary stress. If stress too much for your body, please go and rest. Yes, because high blood pressure dey o, and high blood pressure dey lead to stroke and other serious medical ailment for body. We fit still bring untimely death. Yes, therefore save your life. Yes, avoid anger, avoid depression. Yes, avoid toxic people. All these things go bring you backwards. Yes, my correct people. Truth be say, many Nigerians are really suffering. They are trying to survive and not even living. Yes, but no matter how the condition be, guide yourself wella wella. No say today fit hard o, but tomorrow go better. Therefore, do your best to protect yourself and do the one wey you suppose do. Yes, so that tomorrow go better for you. If you know say this topic reach you well, do not forget to write for comment section. Yes, and subscribe, like, yes, my channel, so that I go bring you ogbonga topic next time. Yes, maybe by tomorrow you go hear another correct topic. Na me be your correct guy man and street papa, Nwaneri. They bring you this topic today. Thank you all my fans. Yes, have a wonderful day.